Okay, so here we have the website which we need to crawl the products. The products are actually the customer favorites, so these products are here. If we check the customer favorites, that how many products we have over here, let's check that one as well. Mm, so we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, so almost 12 products are displayed in the home page. So we have multiple options over here to crawl this data. The first option is using the XPath to search the particular products using the XPath. The second option is to see that if there is any kind of script available or not. So if I search the for script, then we have this kind of script available over here. If we check this one and paste it in the so if we check this and paste it in the in order to see that what information is there, we can easily do that as well. So let's put it on JSON formatter and remove all those extra things that we don't need. So if we process that one, we can easily get this information. So in collection we have email capture, spotlight, and ending soon, what's hot, and customer favorites. So if we see over here, then ending soon is also here, what's hot is also, and customer favorites is also there. So we can use this one as well. And the second option is the third option is to find if there is any kind of API available for that one as well. So if we search the customer favorite inside the fetch the response data, then we can find here different kind of URLs, APIs which are providing this data. Like here, if we see if this particular API is giving us this information or not. Yes. So if we put this in again in the JSON formatter, we can get the data or not. So here we have again collections, and the collection is email capture, spotlight, ending soon, what's hot, and customer favorites as well. So if we come to the customer favorites, and inside the customer favorite we have multiple deals here, and if we count the number of dictionaries over here, we can see that almost all the dictionaries has been provided in this API. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Yeah, so 12 number of. So let's start writing this that how we can scrap the data from the target website. Okay, so the response have multiple options. It can give us the data as well in JSON format as well. So yeah, we can no, we need to use the API. For example, here was the API, and for API URL we can just go to this website. So let's see if we limit it like 5 times, then how much do we have any extra information over here or not. Ending soon, sort, customer favorites, exclusives. Yeah, so yeah, so we need to provide this URL. and we don't need like 5, we need to use. So if we use the JSON function, we can also get the JSON response or not. So here we have like request. Yeah, so we have this information over here. Now if we can provide some checks as well. If JSON response is not none, then we can have this we can loop through this one, this collections object. Over here we want just this slug information. So if we use the slug, we can get this data as well in order to verify this thing. So let's see. Yeah, JSON response. Here we have collection. Collection is equal to JSON response. I think I missed the collections. So we have this these objects available here in JSON dictionary. So let's loop through that one. So if for example the slug is equal to, so customer favorites, then we need to loop through the deals information, and these list, we have to access this one. And in deal I just want to print the ID, or maybe a public name. So string index must be integer. So now we have this single collection, and in single collection we are getting the single deal, and we have total number of 12 customer favorites products that are currently visible. Now if you want to save it in the CSV file, we need to create a CSV file, like for example favorites.csv. So over here I just want to get these columns like ID, media URL, and the public name, card description, slug, and common features, default, original price and price as well, and the review is also important, and what category it belongs, and subcategory. Yeah, that's information that I need to extract from the website. So I will just write the my file name is actually the CSV file name is this is the file name, and I want to write the data onto this file. For this I need to use the CSV library, and this is for write. So for that I need to import the CSV, and so once the file is opened, I can write the I can create the object of the CSV writer. So inside this object I will just uh, insert the columns. For example, I want to insert these columns, so these are the list of columns which I have selected, and I will just insert these columns inside the products dot write row is the function for inserting the header information inside the CSV. Now if for example there is an option to check that whether a uh, particular index is available or not, we can also check that one as well, and for that we can use like the if condition, that if um, slug is available or not in a single collection, then I can raise the error value error, for example, and I want to prompt the user that no target data is available, no for slug. But if it's available, then it will come to the this condition. So now I want to create the list and insert each list into this this file. I need to verify if there is data available or not. So for that I will check each key value pair if it's available or not. So ID is there, media URL is there, and public name also available, cart description, slug, marketplace, yes, price is also available, original price is also available, deal review, and review count is also available, deal review and review rating, average rating is also available, taxonomy and subcategory and value underscore enumeration is also available. Yeah, so this will just put the data inside the products inside the CSV file. If JSON response is not there, then I can just print or raise the error message. And in the last I will just close the file. So let's So the data is inserted successfully. Let's check it in the Excel file. So 12 records has been inserted successfully, and all the data that we are interested in has been scrapped from the website. Okay, so the second approach is to extract the data from this script object, the script that we have inside this HTML. So for this we need to uh, use the BeautifulSoup. So for that, import request as req, import ps4 from bs4, import beautiful. So okay, so response is equal to request dot get, and here I will just use the home URL like here. Once the data is being once the response has been extracted from the source URL, I just want to confirm that if the response is there or not. If I can say that from the status code, if it's 200, then print response is extracted from the source site, else print no response. Yeah, so response has been extracted from the site. So now we can use the beautiful soap to extract the HTML from the response text. So for that we will create the beautiful soap object. Over here we can give the response dot text and give the parameter to extract the HTML parser. So now we have the object, soap object. We can also use the find method to extract the scripts from this, because if we check this thing over here, the script has the ID of this next data. So from this ID we can extract the data inside this the script object, script tag. So the response script is equal to soap dot find, and find the scripts with the ID equals to, let's see what the ID is, next data. Now we have this next data. Now we have to get to print the response script to see that what information is extracted from the source site. The scripts, and yeah, this is just script. So yeah, this information has been extracted and it's clean information, like there is no script tags inside this text. So but if we want to strip any empty spaces, we can use the strip function as well, and it will strip the data. Now we want to convert this data, a response or maybe data equals to json.load and response script. But before that we need to import the json package. Now we have data as a json object. So let's see if there is any that information available or not. Yeah, so data has been also extracted. Now if we use this, just copy this data and see that what information has been extracted here. So let's put it inside the json formatter. Okay, so inside props we have dictionary page props, and inside fallback data and list of dictionaries we have collections. So if we see collections, so we need to extract the collections. Okay, so but before that it's better to check that if particular key is available or not. To check this thing, first inside the json object, if this is not available, then we need to raise the value error. That node target is available in json data. So this one, and if for example there is page props, we need to check this one as well, and fallback data as well, and collections as well. just want to check that particular slug is available or not. So yeah, so if particular slug is equal to customer favorites, I need to verify this one. But I also want to verify that whether the deals are there or not, this list of dictionaries is there or not. So for that I also need to put the condition to verify this data as well. If deals in, not in single section, then you can now I need to create the single product which is equal to, but for that I need to loop through the deal. So this will create the single product, and for that I need to put the data inside the CSV file. So let's create the CSV file for this. Now I want the same columns to be inserted. So over here we have the products list, where we need to put all these information over here. So for that I will just write the all the keys which are providing this information. I will just create the list from them. So if we see, we can just add this information inside the products CSV file, and at the end we will just write the file dot close. So yeah, the information has been inserted successfully now. I just want to check that whether we have different information in both the CSV or not. Just there is a difference uh, in the row. The one product has been inserted before the other product, so that's only the difference which is visible right now for me.